Welcome back to our today's session. So I just want to accomplish what I had left. Remember from the previous session we had solved this, whereby we verified that the value of x equals to 8 given the first three terms of a GP as shown here. 2x as the first term, x plus 4 second term, and 2x minus 7 as the third term. So today I want us to determine the sum of infinite many series from a GP. Then we determine the other value of x. From the previous solution, as I had indicated there, after simplifying all this, first by defining the common ratio, that is r, by taking the second value divided by the first value, and equate it to that value divided by second value. So we found that after simplifying this, we got to a place whereby if we picked the positive part, that is the upper positive part, we got the value of x to be 8. So the second value, or the other value of x, is just using the negative bit of the equation, or the negative part of the simplified quadratic equation. So from the quadratic formula we get the two values of x as -2/3 and 8. So that is basically the other value of x. And then we had verified that. So we now today measure on this, determining the sum of infinite series, or the sum of the infinite n terms. So from the formula of GP, the sum of n terms is given by first term times r power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1 if r is greater than 1. So if r is less than 1, we say that the sum of n terms is given by a 1 minus r power n divided by 1 minus r, that is if r is less than 1. So for infinite number, the sum of infinite terms will be given by a r power infinite, or even if we talk of infinite now, r power infinite, the sum will be r will be less than 1, so we use this one. So we'll be having a power 1 minus r power n divided by 1 minus r. So this n is infinite value. So if this value is infinite, it means it is a very small number, which now diminishes to a very small number. Diminishes to a very small number. So we are left with a power 1 times a, which is simplifies to sn to be a divided by 1 minus r. From our question, the first term we were told we have 2a, our series was as 2a. Then the second term was x plus 4 and 2x minus 7. This is our series, or this is what we were given from the question. So our first term a will be 2a, and we have said that x, this is 2x. We are told that x equals to 8. So 2 times 8, we have 16 divided by 1 minus r. R, we say that we pick the second value divided by the first value. X need 8, so 8 plus 4, so the second value will be 8 plus 4, that is 12. Then the first value will be 2 times 8, we have 16. So this is 12 over 16. So r ni 12 over 16, which simplifies to by 4 3 by 4 4 3 over 4 or else 0.75. So this replace r with 0.75 and you have 16 over 1 minus 0.75. This one will be 16 divided by 0.25. We can confirm using a calculator. 3 divided over 4, 3 over 4, you have 3 is that one, then 1 minus your answer, you have a quarter, 0.25, then 16 divided by your answer, you have 64. So sum of the infinite numbers will give us roughly 64. And that is the end of that question. That is the end of our problem today. We meet in the next session. So those maybe never saw the first part, let me project it. There it is. The solution is there. Can follow at your own time. Then we have solved this part, and with that, at any level you have a chance, or you are at a good chance to escape with all the marks. Thank you. Let us meet in the next question, whereby we shall be solving a tougher problem.